Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to make a little Cafe Cubano. First, we're going to grab a little coffee pod. We can use Café La Llave or Café Bustelos. I like both. Put it in the coffee pod maker, or you can use regular espresso, but you can just push go and it'll start making that amazing coffee that will give you life. We're going to get a little bit of sweetener, whichever one you prefer, and you're just going to mix it. Really mix it. Once you're done with that, we're going to grab a little bit of milk, whatever your milk choice is. You can use condensed milk, you can use regular milk, or you can use a plant-based milk. You're going to froth that or warm it. I'm going to froth it because I like a little bit of froth on the top of my coffee, but it's supposed to be just warm milk. Once it's ready, you want to take that and add that to the coffee and the sugar that you just mixed. Yep, look at that yummy life. You're just going to mix it, and now you're going to get your little cup. Put your coffee in there. And like I said, I like to get a little bit of froth and just put it right on top. Kind of like a mini latte. Then you want to grab a little bit of cinnamon because everything with cinnamon is just so much better, and you're going to enjoy.